Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Anjelika's Kitchen Lab. Today we'll be doing absolutely delicious, super quick lemon Italian sponge cake. So guess you have a quick call, your guests coming within an hour and you need to do some quick dessert. So that would be it. So what do you need for that? You need butter, you need sugar, you need lemon zest, 3 eggs, you need ricotta cheese strained, you need flour, you need lemon juice, you need vanilla, salt and baking powder. And what you will need 9-inch Springform Pan. So, and basically all ingredients go inside the mixer and they will put in the oven. So let's begin. First step, we'll prepare the Springform Pan. So we'll just butter inside, generously on the sides as well. Yeah, like that, like that, like that, like that. Sides and bottom, and we'll just cover it with the sugar powder. All right. Okay, we'll set it on the side. So next step, we'll mix together butter, slightly softened, and sugar, and we'll just mix it together. Let's cream it sugar and butter until combined. Looks good, and now we add ricotta. Okay, so looks good. Now we'll add eggs one at a time. 1 egg, another egg, and another egg. All right, now we'll add salt, baking soda, lemon juice. Ooh, I like the reaction. And zest. Lastly, we'll add our vanilla and flour. I would like to do the flour in a few steps, not all at a time. All the flour is in, so we'll just slightly mix a little bit more, make sure it's all properly mixed and looking such super good. All right, now we'll put the butter inside the pan. It looks beautiful and creamy. Now transfer everything in the pan and put it in the oven for 45 minutes for 350 Fahrenheit. So it's all inside, and we'll just wait 45 minutes for our beautiful cake. Now we can relax. Magnificent. Your guests will be happy. Italian Ricotta Lemon Cake.